Long ago, radiant Amaterasu ruled the heavens, her rays breathing life into every valley. Gods and mortals thrived beneath her warmth, harmony flowing through rice terraces and sacred groves. Yet her brother Susanoo, the untamed storm, raged with jealousy. Banished from the skies, he crashed into the celestial plane. Amaterasu still welcomed him with hope. His fury soon erupted. He stomped emerald patties, toppled shrines, and fouled her shining halls. At last, he struck down a handmaiden, his madness shattering divine peace. Heartbroken, Amaterasu sealed herself inside the heavenly rock cave, drawing her light with her. Night swallowed the world, crops shriveled, frost crept, and chaos spread among gods and men. The gods gathered before the sealed cave, their world drained of color, calling for Amaterasu, yet she stayed hidden. Dawn spirit Aim no Uzum stepped forward with a spark of rebellion. She flipped a wooden washtub upside down and launched into a fierce, joyful dance, hair flying, laughter ringing. The uproar sent the assembly into roaring cheers. Inside the cave, Amaterasu's curiosity stirred. She edged toward the entrance. Muscles coiled, the strong god Aim no Tajikaro gripped the boulder. He ripped it aside, guiding Amaterasu as blazing daylight spilled out. A polished mirror awaited, in it she saw her own radiant power. Sunlight flooded land and sky, plants bloomed, and the unruly Susanoo was exiled again. So the tale reminds us, with unity, laughter, and daring action, any wall of darkness can be shattered.